So this Krishna consciousness movement is not sectarian, neither unauthorized, because it is based on the Bhagavad Gita as it is. We don't interpret Bhagavad Gita. If I interpret Bhagavad Gita, then there is no authority of Bhagavad Gita. The same example, suppose state law, you cannot interpret. Then what is the value of the state law? You are a layman, you cannot interpret Bhagavad Gita. Any Vedic knowledge, you cannot interpret. Then there is no authority of the Vedic knowledge. For example, we give it very constantly. Just like cow dung. Cow dung is the stool of an animal. But Vedas says it is pure. The Vedas in one place says the stool of an animal is impure. We accept it. As soon as we touch stool, even my own stool, I have to take bath immediately to purify myself. But the Vedas said that the stool of cow is pure. We take it to the deity room and smear. This is Vedic forward. No interpretation. When it is stated in the Vedas, it is true, fact, perfect, without any defect. That is called Vedic knowledge. Not that interpreting to my convenience, I become a Vedantist. No, that is not. So the Krishna consciousness movement is teaching that you accept what Krishna says, sarvadharman parityajya. You have manufactured so many things for the peace and prosperity of the people, but you have failed. Take Krishna's word, and you'll be happy. So the more you be engaged in Krishna consciousness, as Krishna says, manmana bhavamad bhakta mad jajimagna maskuru, always think of me, manmana, mad bhakta, just become my devotee. It is very simple thing. To become Krishna conscious is possible by everyone. And actually it is happening. We are preaching this Krishna consciousness movement all over the world. So these boys, they are coming from different religion, different countries, different nationality, different faith. But actually, because they are accepting Krishna, sarvadharman parityajya mam ekang saranang vraja, they are happy. There is no difficulty. And people are accepting it. They as if just they were ready to accept this cult. This is our experience. Any of our student can be questioned why he has accepted this Krishna consciousness movement. He will explain. So, although Krishna consciousness movement is not a movement by any particular person, nation or religion, but is still because Krishna appeared in India. Lord Chaitanya appeared in India. And Lord Chaitanya says that anyone who has taken birth as a human being in the land of Bharatvarsha must take the responsibility of spreading this Krishna consciousness movement for the benefit of all world. It is not a question of any personal religion or personal ambition or something manufactured by some imperfect sense enjoyer. It is authorized because Bhagavad Gita is authorized. Bhagavad Gita is accepted. First it was accepted by Arjuna in toto. Sarvametam ritang manne. Jadvadasi Krishna. My dear Krishna, whatever you are saying, I accept in toto. Without any interpretation, without any rejection. Somebody may say, Arjuna was Krishna's friend. To praise him, he might have said like that. No, Arjuna immediately gives evidence that it is not that I am accepting, but you are accepted as such by such great personalities like Vyasdev, Narada, Sita, gives authority. So, that was 5,000 years ago. Later on, all the acharyas, Ramanucharya, Madhyacharya, Vishnu Swami, Nimbarka, even Shankaracharya. We Vaishnava Acharyas, they differ little with Shankaracharya, impersonalist and personalist. But Shankaracharya, even though he was impersonalist, he accepted Krishna in his commentary on Bhagavad Gita. Sarvabhavar Krishna. So Krishna is accepted as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is no doubt about it, by all authorities. And Krishna himself says in the Bhagavad Gita, Matta Paratarang Nanyat, there is no more superior authority than me. Aham sarvasya prabhava, matta sarvang pravartate. Iti matya bhajanti mang buddha bhava samannita. Those who are actually buddhas, buddhas means learned, so they know that Krishna is the original person, as it is confirmed by Brahma in the Brahma Samhita. Ishvara Parama Krishna. Ishvara means control. So, everyone can become Ishvara. Here, our ministers have his present, is Ishvara. Ishvara means controller. He is controller of a department. Similarly, there are many ministers in our country and other countries, many presidents. They are Ishvaras. And a common man, he is also Ishvara. He is controlling his family. At least he is controlling his dog, cat. So, everyone is Ishvara. Just like the modern theory is going on, everyone is God. That's all right. God means Ishvara, controller. But there are different qualities of control. I may be controller of my disciples, a few dozen or few hundred. But there are controllers, millions. They're controlling millions. Therefore, my control and his control is not equal. Therefore, you find out one controller of the another. Everyone is relative control. He controls and he becomes controlled. Nobody is absolute controller. Just like our minister Sahib, he is controller, but he is also controlled. So, when you come to the point, if you find out some person that he is simply controller, not control, he is Krishna. Krishna is simply controller. When Krishna was present on this planet, you see the history of his life. He simply controlled. He never became controlled. Controlled. Therefore the verdict of the Shastra, Vedic literature is that Ishvara Parama Krishna. The supreme controller is Krishna. Ishvara Parama Krishna.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao Prabhu Nachao se mate